Adverbs of degree. Now, adverbs of degree are those adverbs which show that an action is done with what intensity. कि मतलब एक काम कितनी शिद्दत से किया गया है या कितने आराम से किया गया है. So, an adverb of degree is always placed before the word it modifies, whether that word is a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. As you know that adverb modifies a verb, an adjective and another adverb. Modify मतलब वो हमें उसके बारे में बताता है. तो जो adverb of degree होता है वो हमेशा उस word से पहले लिखा जाता है जिसको वो modify कर रहा होता है. For example, we nearly lost the match. Now nearly modify कर रहा है lost को, तो हमने उसके साथ लिखा है. They were very disappointed. Now very is being used with disappointed क्योंकि ये disappointed की intensity शो कर रहा है कि वो कितना disappoint हुए थे. They played quite well. अब यहाँ पे well is an adverb और quite degree है जो शो कर रहा है कि कितना ज़्यादा उन्होंने बेहतर खेला था. As such, a word such as only or even should be placed close to the word. It precedes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb and may either precede or follow a noun or pronoun. अब यहाँ पे जो only और even adverb of degree हैं, they should be placed close to the word they are modifying. मतलब यहाँ पे for example, he only smiled at the joke. He is only relieved by the news, not thrilled. We swim only occasionally. Only John stayed behind to lend a hand. He considers himself only, not anyone else. It precedes a verb, an adjective or an adverb. मतलब कि उसके बाद verb आ सकता है, adjective आ सकता है या adverb आ सकता है and may either precede or follow a noun or pronoun. अब यहाँ पे देखें precedes a verb. Over here only is written before the verb. यहाँ पे भी he is only relieved verb से पहले लिखा हुआ है. Then we swim only occasionally. Occasionally is a verb of frequency. Then only John stayed. अब यहाँ पे इसके बाद हमारे पास noun आ रहा है. So it is preceding the noun. He considers himself only, not anyone else. अब यहाँ पे it is followed by, so it follows the pronoun. तो only और even जो words हैं वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं उस word के नज़दीक जिसको वो modify कर रहे होते हैं. So इसके बाद verb भी आ सकता है, adjective भी आ सकता है और adverb भी आ सकता है and in some cases noun and pronoun can also come.